And tan x plus tan of x plus pi by 3 plus tan of x plus 2 pi by 3 is equal 3. Show that tan 3x is equal 1. Tan x plus, here apply the formula tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan x into tan pi by 3. Plus, here also apply the formula tan of a plus b. Tan a, tan x plus tan b. Tan 2 pi by 3 by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Tan x into tan 2 pi by 3 is equal to 3. So tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Tan 120 degrees. Friends, tan 120 degrees is equal to tan 120 degrees is equal to tan 180 minus 60. Tan 180 minus 60 is equal to minus tan 60 minus root 3. Tan x plus tan 60 degrees root 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 60 root 3 plus tan x tan 120 degrees minus root 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 120 degrees minus root 3 is equal to 3. So tan x plus tan 60 degrees root 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 60 root 3 plus tan x plus tan 120 degrees. Tan 120 is equal to minus root 3 by 1 minus tan x into tan 120 degrees minus root 3. 1 tan x plus root 3 by here 1 minus root 3 into tan x plus tan x minus root 3 by minus into minus plus 1 plus root 3 tan x is equal to 3. LCM 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. LCM 1 minus tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Here tan x into so here apply the formula. So here LCM 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Tan x into 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x plus tan x plus root 3 into tan x plus root 3 into so tan x plus root 3 here already 1 minus root 3 tan x friends. Here 1 tan x plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 tan x plus tan x minus root 3 into tan x minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 tan x. Right down friends. So here LCM 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Here tan x into friends here LCM 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Tan x into 1 minus root 3 tan x into 1 plus root 3 tan x. Here tan x plus root 3 into 1 plus root 3 tan x plus tan x minus root 3 into 1 minus root 3 tan x is equal to 3. Simplify friends, simplify. So tan x into here numerator tan x into here apply the formula a plus into a minus b. A plus into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square root 3 tan x whole square. So here root 3 tan x whole square, root 3 into root 3, 3. 3 tan square x. 3 tan square x plus, here multiply these two terms in tan x into 1, tan x plus tan x into root 3 tan x, root 3 tan square x plus root 3 into 1, root 3 plus root 3. So here tan x into 1, tan x plus root 3 tan square x plus root 3 plus root 3 into root 3, 3 tan x plus, so here multiply these two terms, tan x into 1, tan x, next tan x into minus root 3 tan x, minus root 3 tan square x, minus root 3 tan square x, next minus root 3, minus root 3, friends, next minus into minus plus 3 tan x by denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, 1 minus 3 tan square x, friends, is equal right side 3, is equal 3. So here plus root 3 minus root 3 get cancelled. So plus root 3 tan square x minus root 3 tan square x get cancelled. So here tan x into 1 tan x minus 3 tan x into tan square x, 3 tan cube x plus tan x plus 3 tan x plus tan x plus 3 tan x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Friends, here tan x plus tan x, 2 tan x, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 3. Friends, 9 tan x, 9 tan x minus 3 tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Is equal to 3. So take 3 common, 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to 3. Here 3 get cancelled. So 3 tan x minus tan cube x by 1 minus 3 tan square x is equal to formula tan 3x. So tan 3x is equal to 1. This is the answer. Okay, next problem. Next, second problem. Prove that, second question. Prove that sine pi by 5 into sine 2 pi by 5 into sine 3 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5 into sine 4 pi by 5 is equal to 5 by 16. Prove that sine pi by 5, sine 2 pi by 5, Sine 3 pi by 5, sine 4 pi by 5 is equal to 5 by 16. So pi by 5 is equal to, pi is equal 180. 180 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 5 6 are 30. So 36 degrees. Pi by 5 is equal to 36. So this value, sine 36. So 2 into 36, sine 72 degrees. Next 3 into 36. 3 into 36, 108. Sine 108. Next 4 into 36. Sine 144. So pi by 5 is equal to 36 degrees. 2 into 36, 72. 3 into 36, 108. Friends, 4 into 36, 144 degrees. Friends, sine 36. Sine 36 degrees into. Friends, sine 72 degrees is equal. Friends, sine 72 degrees is equal to. And sine 72 degrees is equal to sine 90 minus 18. Sine 90 minus 18. And this value sine 90 plus 18. Sine 144 friends 180 minus 36. So 180 minus 36. Friend, I don't know the values of sine 108, sine 144. Friends, sine 72 is equal to sine 90 minus 18. 108 is equal to 90 plus 18. 144 is equal to 180 minus 36. And sine 36. Sine 90 minus 18. So 90 sine becomes cos. In first quadrant sine positive. This value is cos 18. So 90 plus 18 degrees. 90 plus theta second quadrant. In second quadrant sine positive. 90 sine becomes cos 18. Sine 180 minus 36. So sine 180 minus 36. Second quadrant sine positive. Sine 36. Sine 36 into sine 36. Sine square 36. Cos 18 into cos 18. Cos square 18. Friends, what is the value of cos 18 degrees? Cos 18 degrees is equal to root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4. Sine 36 is equal to, friends, sine 36. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Sine 36 is equal to 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4. Friends, sine square 36. So sine square 36 is equal to square root get cancelled. 10 minus 2 root 5 by 16 into cos square 18. So squaring cos square 18 degrees is equal to square root get cancelled. 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 square 16. Here apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square by 16 into 16. 10 minus 2 root 5 whole square. 4 5s are 20. Sorry, 10 square 100 minus 20 by 16 into 16. Friends, 80 by 16 into 16. 16 5s are 80. 5 by 16 answer. Next problem. Question number 3. Show that cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 5 is equal to 2. Show that cos square pi by 10 plus cos square 2 pi by 5 plus cos square 3 pi by 5 plus cos square 9 pi by 5 is equal to 2. So pi by 10, pi is equal 180. 180 by 10, cos square 18 degrees So pi by 5, 36. 36 into 2, 72 degrees. Cos square 72. So pi by 5 is 36. 36 into 3, 108. Cos square 108. 9 pi by 5. So it's 9 pi by 5 is equal to pi by 5 is 36. 36 into 9. So cos square 9 pi by 5. So cos square 9 pi by 5 is equal to, so cos square 2 pi by 10, cos square 2 pi by 5, cos square 3 pi by 5. So last value, so 9 pi by 10. So sorry, this value is 9 pi by 10. It's 9 pi by 10. So pi by 10 is equal to 18 degrees. Friends, 18 into 9, 18 nines are 162. So 9 is 8 are 72. 162 cos square 162 degrees. This is 9 pi by 10 degrees. 9 pi by 10. So cos square 18. Cos square 18. So cos square 72 degrees is equal. Cos square 72 degrees is equal. Cos square 90 minus 18. From this value, cos square 90 plus 18. So cos square 162 degrees is equal to 162 degrees is equal to 180 minus 18 degrees. 180 minus 18 degrees. So cos square 18. 90 minus 18. So cos 90. 90 cos becomes sine. Sine square 18. So 90 plus 18. This is second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos is negative, but here whole square. Whole square is always positive. So here 90 cos becomes sine. This is also sine square 18. So it's 180 minus 18 cos square. 180 minus theta second quadrant. Second quadrant cos is negative, but here whole square positive. So cos square 18. Cos square 18 plus cos square. So this value is 1. This value is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal 1. Next problem. One minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 8 alpha by 1 minus secant 4 alpha is equal to tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. So take LHS. 1 minus secant 8 alpha is equal to secant 8 alpha is equal secant is equal 1 by cos 8 alpha. Secant 4 alpha is equal 1 by cos 4 alpha. Here LCM cos 8 alpha. Here cos 8 alpha minus 1 by here LCM cos 4 alpha. Here cos 4 alpha minus 1. That is equal to cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha into cos 4 alpha minus 1 by cos 4 alpha is equal to cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha minus 1. So here which formula we apply? Cos 8 alpha minus 1. Cos 8 alpha minus 1. Cos 8 alpha minus 1. Any formula friends in trigonometry? Cos 8 alpha minus 1. Friends, 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A is equal formula 2 cos square A by 2. 1 minus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A is equal formula 2 cos square A by 2. 1 minus cos A. But here cos 8 alpha minus 1. Friends, 1 minus cos A, 2 cos square A by 2 sin square A by 2. Sorry, 2 sin square A by 2. When I take minus common, this is of the form 1 minus cos A. Here also minus common. 1 minus, apply the formula 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A is equal formula 2 sin square A by 2. So here in numerator take minus common, friends, minus common 1 minus cos 8 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha into, here also minus common 1 minus cos 4 alpha. 1 minus cos A is equal formula 2 sin square A by 2. Here apply the formula 1 minus cos A. So here minus 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 by minus plus. So 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. So this is A by 2. 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2. 8 alpha by 2. 8 alpha by 2 is equal to 4 alpha. 2 sin square 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha into, so here also same formula 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 sin square A by 2, 4 alpha by 2, 2 alpha, 2 sin square 2 alpha. Here 2 to get cancelled. So here right side tan 8 alpha, tan 8 alpha is equal sin 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha. So here denominator also cos 8 alpha. Numerator sin 8 alpha. So sin 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha tan 8 alpha. But here 4 alpha, friends. 1 second, here 2. Friends, 2 sin 4 alpha cos 4 alpha is equal to 2 sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha. Apply the formula 2 sin A cos A sin 2A. So here that is equal 2 sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha. So here sin square 4 alpha. Here sin 4 alpha into sin 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha into 2 sin square 2 alpha. 2 sin square 2 alpha. So that is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Here apply the formula 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. 2 sin A cos A is equal, friends, 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to formula sin 2A. So 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. Sin 2 into 4 alpha, sin 8 alpha. This value is sin 8 alpha into sin 4 alpha by cos 4. So this is 8 alpha. Sorry, this is 8 alpha. Cos 8 alpha into 2 sin square 2 alpha. Right answer, right answer. So here 1 minus secant 8 alpha. Secant is equal 1 by cos 8 alpha. Here secant 4 alpha is equal 1 by cos 4 alpha. In numerator LCM cos 8 alpha. Here cos 8 alpha minus 1. Denominator LCM cos 4 alpha. Cos 4 alpha minus 1. Cos 8 alpha minus 1 by cos 8 alpha into cos 4 alpha minus 1 by cos 4 alpha is equal into cos 4 alpha by cos 4 alpha minus 1. Friends, take minus common. Apply the formula 1 minus cos A. So minus common, here minus common, here minus common. Minus by minus plus. 1 minus cos A formula. 1 minus cos A is equal formula 2 sin square A by 2. 2 sin square 8 alpha by 2. 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha. 1 minus cos 4 alpha. 2 sin square A by 2 formula. 2 sin square A by 2. 4 alpha by 2. 2 alpha. Friend, here denominator cos 8 alpha. Suppose numerator sin 8 alpha, sin by cos tan 8 alpha. Friend, here numerator not sin 8 alpha. Friend, here 2 sin square 4 alpha cos 4 alpha. 2 sin 4 alpha into cos 4 alpha. Sin square of 4 alpha. So here sin 4 alpha into sin 4 alpha. Here apply the formula 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. Sin 2 into 4 alpha, sin 8 alpha. Sin 8 alpha into sin 4 alpha by cos 8 alpha into 2 sin square 2 alpha. Students have understood? Students, sin 8 alpha by cos 8 alpha tan 8 alpha. But here answer tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. So here the sin here sin 4 alpha by sin 2 sin square 2 alpha. So here tan 2 alpha is equal sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha. So tan 2 alpha is equal sin 2 alpha by cos 2 alpha. So here sin 4 alpha. So change this value in terms of sin 2 alpha cos 2 alpha. So sin 4 alpha is equal to sin 4 alpha is equal to sin 2 into 2 alpha by 2 sin square 2 alpha. That is equal to tan 8 alpha into. Students, here apply the formula sin 2a formula. Sin 2a formula. 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin 2 alpha into cos 2 alpha by 2 sin square 2 alpha. Friends, sin 4 alpha is equal to sin 2 into 2 alpha. Sin 2a formula 2 sin a cos a. Here 2 to get cancelled. 1 sin 2 alpha cancel. And that is equal to tan 8 alpha into cos 2 alpha by sin 2 alpha is equal to cot 2 alpha. Cos 2 alpha by sin 2 alpha is equal to cot 2 alpha. That is equal to tan 8 alpha into cot 2 alpha is equal to 1 by tan 2 alpha. That is equal to answer tan 8 alpha by tan 2 alpha. Okay, next problem. Second problem. 1 plus cos pi by 10 degrees into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equal 1 by 16. 1 plus cos pi by 10, 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equal 1 by 16. Pi by 10 is equal to 18. 1 plus cos 18. 1 plus cos 3 into 18. So 3 into 18 is equal to 54. 1 plus cos 54 degrees into 7 pi by 10. 27 into 18. 126. 1 plus cos 126 degrees. 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. Pi by 10, 18. 18 to 9. 162 degrees. Is it 162 degrees? Okay, friends, 1 plus cos 18. 1 plus cos 54. So cos 126 degrees is equal cos 126. Friends, 1 plus cos 126 is equal to friends 180 minus 54 or 90 plus 36. Or friends, 180 minus 54 is equal to 180 minus 54. Here 6, 7 minus 5, 2. So 126, 180 minus 54. 180 minus 54. So 1 plus cos this value 180 minus 18 degrees. Friends, 162 is equal 180 minus 18. This value, right? 180 minus 54. 1 plus cos 18 degrees into 1 plus cos 54 degrees into. Friends, 180 minus 54. 180 minus the second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos negative 1 minus cos 54. Second quadrant, cos negative 1 minus cos 18. Friends, 1 plus cos 18 into 1 minus cos 18. Here apply the formula a plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square. 1 square minus cos square 18 into. Here also apply the same a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 1 minus cos square 54. Friends, 1 minus cos square 18. Sin square 18. 1 minus cos square 54. Sin square 54. Friends, what is the value of sin 18 degrees? Sin 18 degrees is equal root 5 minus 1 by 4 whole square. Friends, sin square 54. So what is the value of sin square 54? Sin 54 means sin 54 is equal cos 36. So this value is cos 36. Cos 36 degrees value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. And this is sin 54. 90 minus 36. Cos 36 degree. Cos 36 degrees value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Okay, so simplify root 5 minus 1 whole square. So we apply the formula a minus b whole square. A square root 5 whole square plus b square plus 1 minus 2ab minus 2 root 5 by 4 square 16. We apply the formula a plus b whole square. A square root 5 whole square 5. B square plus 1 2ab plus 2 root 5 by 4 square 16. 5 plus 1 6 minus 2 root 5 into 6 plus 2 root 5 by 16 into 16. So here apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square. 36 minus 2 root 5 whole square. 4 5 are 20 by 16 into 16. 36 minus 20, 16 by 16 into 16. Here 16, 16 cancel. Answer 1 by 16. Next problem. Prove that cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to answer 1 by 8. Cos 2 pi by 7, cos 4 pi by 7, cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to answer 1 by 8. Is equal to answer 1 by 8. cos 2 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7. Pi by 7 is equal to, what is the value of pi by 7? Pi is equal 180. 180 by 7. 7 twos are 14. 40. 40 means 7 fives are 35. 7 fives are 35. Approximately 25 point something students value. So cos 2 pi by 7 cos 4 pi by 7 cos 8 pi by 7 is equal to answer. Prove that 1 by 8. Friends, what is the formula of sin 2a? Sin 2a is equal formula 2 sin a into cos a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Friend, this implies cos a is equal formula. Cos a is equal formula sin 2a by 2 sin a. Friends, cos a is equal formula sin 2a by 2 sin a. So in this problem, apply the formula cos a. Cos a is equal sin 2a by 2 sin a. So cos 2a, cos 2 pi by 7 is equal to cos a is equal sin 2a by 2 sin a. So cos 2 pi by 7 is equal, cos 2 pi by 7 is equal sin 2 into 2 pi by 7. So here sin 4 pi by 7 by 2 sin a, 2 sin 2 pi by 7. So here apply the formula cos a formula sin 2a by 2 sin a. Cos 2 pi by 7 is equal to sin 2 into 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7 by 2 sin 2 pi by 7. Next same cos 4 pi by 7 is equal, here substitute in place of a 4 pi by 7, here 2 into 4 pi by 7 sin 8 pi by 7 by, so here denominator 2 sin 4 pi by 7. Next cos 8 pi by 7, 2 into 8 pi sin 16 pi by 7 by denominator 2 sin, here a, here 8 pi by 7, here 8 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7. And sin 8 pi by 7, sin 8 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7 get cancelled. Friends, have you understood? Here apply the formula cos a, sin 2a by 2 sin a. First substitute in place of a 2 pi by 7, here 2 pi by 7, here 2 into 2 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7, here 2 pi by 7. Next here in place of a 4 pi by 7, 2 into 4 pi by 7, 8 pi by 7, here 4 pi by 7. Next 2 into 8 pi by 7, 16 pi by 7, here 2 sin 8 pi by 7. Okay friends, have you understood or not? So here sin 8 pi by 7, sin 4 pi by 7 get cancelled. Friends, but answer 1 by 8. So but 1 by 8. So here 2 into 2, 4, 4 twos are 8. Friends, here numerator sin 16 pi by 7, sin 2 pi by 7. So these two terms are get cancelled. Answer 1 by 8. Friends, is equal answer 1 by 8. Here 2, 2, 2, 8. But here sin 16 pi by 7, here sin 2 pi by 7. Friends, these two terms are get cancelled. Answer 1 by 8. So how to cancel these two terms, friends? Friends, sin 16 pi by 7, sin 2 pi by 7. Friends, change this value in terms of 2 pi by 7 or change this value in terms of sin 16 pi by 7. Friends, these two terms are cancelled. Change this value in terms of sin 2 pi by 7. So how to change this value in terms of 2 pi by 7? Friends, change any unknown angle, 90 plus or 90 minus, 180 plus, 180 minus, 2 pi plus, 2 pi minus. So here sin 16 pi by 7 is equal, first write friends 90. So change this value in terms of 2 pi by 7. 90 plus 2 pi by 7 is equal to, what is this value? 90, this value becomes cos. Friends, I change this value, pi minus. Friends, pi minus 2 pi by 7 is equal to pi minus 2 pi by 7, 7 pi minus 2 pi, 5 pi by 7. But here 16 pi by 7. Pi plus 2 pi by 7, friends. 7 pi plus 2 pi, 9 pi by 7. Next one is 2 pi minus 2 pi by 7. All of look at the questions. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2 pi. 14 minus 2 pi. 14 minus 2 pi, students. 12 pi by 7. Plus 2 pi by 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 2. 16 pi by 7. Sine 16 pi by 7 is equal sine of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7. So that is equal sine of 16 pi by 7 is equal to 2 pi plus 2 pi by 7 by denominator 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 8 into sine 2 pi by 7. So that is equal to 2 pi plus. So 2 pi plus means 360 plus theta. 360 minus theta, one complete rotation. So 360 plus theta, first quadrant. So 360 minus theta, one complete evaluation. Friend, one complete evaluation. 360 plus theta, first quadrant. In first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. So this value is sine 2 pi by 7. Sine 2 pi by 7 by 8 into sine 2 pi by 7. This value cancel. Answer 1 by 8. Same model, next problem, same model. I will explain next problem. Next question, cos pi by 11, cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11 is equal to answer 1 by 32. So here also apply the same formula. Cos pi by 11, cos 2 pi by 11, cos 3 pi by 11, cos 4 pi by 11, cos 5 pi by 11. So cos A is equal to sin 2A. So cos pi by 11 is equal to sin 2 pi by 11 by 2 pi by 11 by 2 sin pi by 11. Next here, cos 2 pi by 11 is equal. Here substitute 2 pi by 11. Here 2 into 2 pi by 11. Cos sin 4 pi by 11 by 2 sin 2 pi by 11. Here substitute in place of a 3 pi by 11. 2 into 3 pi sin 6 pi by 11. Denominator 2 sin 3 pi by 11. Next. In place of a 4 pi by 11, 2 into 4 pi, 2 into 4 pi by 11, 8 pi by 11 by 2 sin 4 pi by 11. Next here, substitute in place of a cos 5 pi by 11. So here substitute in place of a 5 pi by 11, sin 2 into 5 pi, sin 10 pi by 11 by denominator 2 sin 5 pi by 11. So here sin 4 pi by 11, sin 4 pi by 11 get cancelled. Sin 2 pi by 11, sin 2 pi by 11 get cancelled. Next students here, sin pi by 11, sin 3 pi by 11, sin 5 pi by 11. Friends, numerator sin 6 pi by 11, sin 6 pi by 11, sin 8 pi by 11, sin 10 pi by 11. Denominator, friends, 2 into 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 32. Denominator 32 into sin pi by 11, sin 3 pi by 11, sin 5 pi by 11. All of look at the board, friends. All of look at the board. Friends, here answer 1 by 32. Friends, these three terms are get cancelled. We get answer 1 by 32. Friends, sin 6 pi by 11, sin 8 pi by 11, sin 10 pi by 11. Here denominator sin pi by 11, sin 3 pi by 11, sin 5 pi by 11. Friends, how to these six terms get cancelled, friends? How to cancel these terms? So change these values, these three values, sin pi by 11, sin 3 pi by 11, sin 5 pi by 11. These terms are cancelled. So here, these terms are get cancelled. So these terms are get cancelled. We get answer 1 by 32. How to cancel these three terms, friends? So change this value. So 10 pi by 11. Change this value in terms of pi by 11 or 3 pi by 11 or 5 pi by 11. So how to write 10 pi by 11, friends? Friends, all of look at the board. 10 pi by 11 is equal to any unknown angle 90 plus or 90 minus. So 90 plus 90 minus sin becomes cos. So 90 does not take 90, friends. 180. Friends, all of look at the board. Suppose change this value. So pi minus. So pi minus pi by 11 is equal to pi minus pi by 11 is equal to what is this value? Pi minus pi by 11 is equal to 10 pi by 11. So this value I write pi minus pi by 11. Next, 8 pi by 11, friends. Pi minus. So denominator pi by 11, 3 pi by 11, 5 pi by 11. So pi minus 3 pi by 11 is equal, friends. Pi minus 3 pi by 11 is equal 11 pi minus 3 pi. 8 pi by 11. Next, 6 pi by 11. So pi minus in denominator 5 pi by 11. 5 minus 5 pi by 11 is equal 6 pi by 11. Friends, sin 10 pi by 11 is equal to pi minus pi by 11. Sin 8 pi by 11 is equal pi minus 3 pi by 11. Sin 6 pi by 11 is equal 5 minus 5 pi by 11. Friends, have understood or not? Friends, మీకు ఈ టర్మ్స్ ఫ్రెండ్స్ మనకి 1 by 32 రావాలంటే ఈ టర్మ్స్ అన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలి. ఈ టర్మ్స్ అన్ని మనకి క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వాలంటే ఈ న్యూమరేటర్ టర్మ్స్ అంటే మనం పై బై 11, 3 పై బై 11, 10 పై బై 11 మనం చేంజ్ చేయాలి. 5 పై బై 11, 3 పై బై 11, 5 పై బై 11. So 90 plus or 90 minus sin becomes cos. So does not take 90. So take pi or 3 pi by 2 or 2 pi. So pi minus, change this value pi by 11 or 3 pi by 11, 5 pi by 11. First pi minus pi by 11, 10 pi by 11. So 10 pi by 11 is equal to pi minus pi by 11. So sin this value pi minus pi by 11. Next, sin 8 pi by 11 is equal to so pi minus 3 pi by 11. Next, sin 6 pi by 11 is equal to pi minus 5 pi by 11 by so denominator 32 into sin pi by 11 into sin 3 pi by 11 into sin 5 pi by 11. Right, as right down. Praveen. అంటే ఆల్రెడీ రికార్డ్ చేసింది దీన్ని యూట్యూబ్లో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను. స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏదైనా నోట్స్ కానీ పర్ఫెక్ట్గా రాస్తుంటే దాన్ని సెండ్ చేయండి, దాన్ని నేను గ్రూప్లో సెండ్ చేస్తాను. Okay, so next one. So next sine. So sine pi minus 5 pi by 11. Sine 5 pi by 11. And second one sine positive. This will sine 5 pi by 11. And this sine 3 pi by 11 into sine pi by 11 by 32 into sine pi by 11. Next sine 3 pi by 11. Sine 5 pi by 11. And here sine 5 pi by 11, sine 5 pi by 11, sine pi by 11, sine pi by 11, sine 3 pi by 11 get cancelled. Answer 1 by 32. So in this last problem also same model. Page number 270. 274. So page number 274. Friends, question number 4. Second problem, friends, page number 274. If A is not an integral multiple of pi, prove that cos A into cos 2A into cos 4A into cos 8A is equal to sin 16A by 16 sin A. Sin 16A by 16 sin A, and hence reduce that, cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. And deduce that cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 cos 16 pi by 15 is equal to 1 by 16. So apply the same formula, students. Sin 2a is equal formula 2 sin a into cos a implies cos a is equal to cos a is equal to sin 2a by cos a is equal to sin 2a by 2 sin a. Apply this same formula, students. Cos a. So cos a is equal sin 2a by 2 sin a. 2 sin a. Next, cos 2a. So cos 2a in place of a 2a, here 2 into 2a sin 4a by, so denominator in place of a 2a, here 2 sin 2a. Next friends, cos 4a. So here substitute in place of a 4a, 2 into 4a sin 8a. Here sin 8a by 2 sin in place of a 4a sin 4a. Next friends, in place of a 8a, 2 into 8a sin 16a by 2 sin in place of a 8a. Same model, friends. Sin cos a is equal sin 2a by 2 sin a. Cos 2a in place of a 2a, here 2 into 2a 4a, but here 2a. Here in place of a 4a, 2 into 4 8a, here in place of a 4a. Cos 8a, should be 2 into 8a, 16a by 2 sin in place of a 8a. So here sin 8a get cancelled, sin 4a, sin 4a, sin 2a get cancelled. Friends, that is equal answer sin 16a by denominator, friends, 2 into 2, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 16 sin a. And this is the first question answer, friends. Next, second problem, friends, second question. Cos 2 pi by 15, cos 4 pi by 15, cos 8 pi by 15, cos 16 pi by 15. So here apply the formula cos A sin 2A by 2 sin A. Friends, cos 2 pi by 15 is equal to sin 4 pi by 15 by 2 sin 2 pi by 15. Next, substitute in place of 4 pi by 15 sin 8 pi by 15 in denominator 2 sin 4 pi by 15. Next, cos 8 pi by 15 sin 16 pi by 15 by 2 sin 8 pi by 15. Next is cos 16 pi sin 32 pi by 15 by 2 sin 16 pi by 15. Okay, so same model. Here sin 4 pi by 15, sin 4 pi by 15, sin 8 pi by 15, sin 16 pi by 15 get cancelled. 2, 4, 8, 16. So sin 32 by 15, here sin 2 pi by 15. So change this value in terms of 2 pi by 15. So write here. So here sin 32 by 15, change this value in terms of 2 pi by 15. Friends, pi minus 2 pi by 15, friends. 15 pi minus 2 pi, 13 pi. So pi plus 15 plus 2, 17. No, friends. 2 pi minus 2 pi. Friends, 2 pi minus. 1 second, friend. 1 second. Friend, 32 pi by 15 is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 15. So 2 pi minus 2 pi by 15. Sorry, here 2 pi by 15. So 15 into 30, 30 minus 2, 28. Suppose here class, friends, 15 into 2, 30 plus 2, 32 pi by 15. Friends, sin 32 pi by 15 is equal to sine of 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15 by, here denominator 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 2 power 4, 16 into sine 2 pi by 15. Friends, that is equal to 2 pi plus theta. Friends, first quadrant sine 2 pi by 15 by 16 into sine 2 pi by 15. From here 2 pi by 15, 2 pi by 15 get cancelled. Answer 1 by 16. Okay, friends, this is the multiple submultiple angles. Friends, completed. Okay, friends, end the class.